How's it going, guys? Just another update. Nothing too special going on. I got a couple tractors. Basically, I'm going to put up in the barn, including this Murray here. I picked this up for cutting grass. It's got a 21 horse Briggs V-twin, so it's a nice little motor. We're going to put that up in the barn. I got a couple Craftsmans I'm going to put up in the barn. Possibly a John Deere. I don't know if I'm going to put it up there yet, but I got that one there. And probably put the snow plow and chains on the 316. So just stay tuned and go move some tractors. Okay guys, well that didn't work out exactly as planned. I had to use the tow truck to pull it up because it wouldn't drive itself. Yeah, so that was interesting. Neither of those tractors really like snow. So basically I just gotta make some room up here. That's my Safari that we're doing a motor job in. It's my Gravely. And then, not many of you guys have probably seen this tractor, but this one's got a 1.6 liter Volkswagen engine in it. It's got a Bowen's rear end. This was a project I started a couple years ago and just kind of lost interest in. But yeah, so we'll just make a little bit of room up here for the tractors and we'll bring a couple more up. Okay guys, so for those of you that were around last year, this is a plow that I modified to fit this tractor. It's actually made for a model older than this. We used to have the manual lift right there from the mower deck lift, but this is hydraulic. And last year this cylinder came on sale. It's normally like 350 bucks or just over 300 bucks. It went on sale for 100. So in this case, it's cheaper for me to make it electric than it was to make it hydraulic. So I made up this, basically looks like a push bar, welded that to the top of the plow bracket, and it actually looks kind of cool when it's on the tractor, but I never got around to actually painting it. I might do that this year, but we'll see. Depends how much I like playing with it. But anyways, it's still snowing right there. This has all basically come down today and last night. Like before, we didn't really have anything. So kind of sucks winter's coming. But anyways, we'll get this plow on and probably grab the chains for this thing. And then I got another set of chains. Might try putting them on the tires of the tow truck. Because that last tractor I brought up, once it focuses, right about here, I started spinning. And she didn't want to drive up at all. So anyways, we'll get this plow mounted and we'll throw the chains on. So there you go. I probably could have left the camera running. That was literally 30 seconds to put that on. It's basically just two nubs that line up at the bottom of the frame, and I'll show you on this side. And basically that's John Deere snap pin that goes into the frame up there, and just those two wire connectors. And literally is probably like 30 seconds. I probably could have left the camera running. But anyways, that's what she looks like. So let's go get those tire chains. Okay guys, I got the chains on, I got the plow on, it should be all ready to go. I might need to put weights on the back, make up a weight bracket, but other than that, let's give her a try because it's getting cold out. Alright guys, well, it still works pretty good. My biggest problem is I keep forgetting which way to push that toggle switch. But other than that, I think it's doing alright. So, anyways, that's probably it for today. Depending on how I feel after I get this cleaned up, I might try putting chains on the tow truck, but I'm not sure yet. So, anyways, thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching my videos, and we'll see you in the next video.